Hey guys, do you struggle with writing all of the emails that you know you should be writing for your travel business? If that sounds like you, stay tuned because today we're going to be talking about how to effortlessly source emails, get them in your marketing machine, and you don't even have to write them. So if that sounds interesting, keep on watching. That's what we're doing on the show today.
Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
All right, guys, take a moment, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell over on YouTube. We bring you amazing content every single week to make sure that you are continuing to grow your travel business, and I don't want you to miss a thing. If you're new here, type a little "I'm new" in comments. I'd love to welcome you to our community. And if you are new, you might not know who I am. My name is Cyndi Williams. I'm the founder and CEO of Wanderlust Campus, and we help people just like you become certified travel agents at all levels of growth, from aspiring travel agent all the way through agency owner. If that sounds like fun, visit us over at travelschool.com for all of that information. But today we are really dialing into one topic, which is emails. If you don't love to write, I don't love to write. We talked about blogs recently on another video. We're back again talking about emails. You need to have emails going out regularly to your email list, but I know it takes time, especially when you're doing the work of being a travel agent. How do I source? What do I want to write? What should I say this month? It can be so difficult to go through that creative process if you don't love to write to begin with. So I use Wanderlust Social because I can get already written, beautifully crafted emails that I can put a little spin on, maybe add a call to action, and then they are ready to go. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, and I'm really excited for that. So by the way, we also have a free blueprint for you guys. Check this out. If you struggle with marketing in general, go to wanderlustceo.com/blueprint, and I will send you my free basic blueprint for travel agents. That will really help you as you're putting your first marketing plans together, especially if you're not a certified travel agent or you haven't had the benefit of going through Careers on Vacation, where we teach you guys all of those things in depth by way of Wanderlust Campus. So let's go over to our Wanderlust Social site. All right, so if you've been following along the last few weeks, we have been teaching you guys different topics on how to utilize Wanderlust Social. So really quickly, I don't want to go into it in depth, but Wanderlust Social is a site where you can purchase pre-made, done-for-you travel marketing bundles that you can then customize to your own brand so it looks like you created it. It is the best time hack out there for travel agents to source all different kinds of marketing. And what I've been going through over the past several weeks is the different components that each bundle has. So how you use it for blogs, how you use it for email. Next week, we're going to do one on how you use it for video content. And there's a bunch of different ways, regular posting, things like that. Today, we're going to be laser focused on email, but if you're not already a Wanderlust Social user, you can go over there and you can either buy one bundle to try it out, or if you can preview all the content, by the way. So if you think you'll love it, definitely just go ahead and become a member, because members get amazing perks. So I'm a member. I'm actually going to go over to my dashboard and you guys will get to see a few of the perks that you get as a member. First and foremost, we get all of the bundles early. So we're at the time of filming, Puerto Rico, Disneyland, and Caribbean Cruises just launched. So we're getting that before everybody else. So we get the advanced content released to us, which is amazing. You also get 50 bonus images kind of as a welcome gift when you become a member. And then you get a hashtag vault that's good for travel advisors, travel professionals. Every month, this section here will upload 10 totally free images that you can use. And then you have your manager agency if you have an agency plan. I have an agency and agents that work for me. So everything I create in Wanderlust Social, they're then allowed to use. If you don't have an agency, no biggie. You just won't have these last two components. You also get free marketing planning calendars. I love these. I have other videos on how to use these calendars, but these are free if you are a member with Wanderlust Social. So guys, these are all my unlock bundles. As you can see, I am a heavy user of this product. We are always marketing from here. So I'm just going to click into one here. And we've been using the Disneyland a lot in our samples, but let me just go ahead and click into the cruise bundle, the new cruise bundle, the Caribbean Ocean Cruising. There's lots of other cruise bundles on the site too. So check those out, especially if you have a niche of cruises or that's your area of specialty. Oh my gosh, I just love this new bundle, and I love all these blues and greens. That's going to be so fun to play with on my Instagram feed too. Lots of ways you can use the pictures, and we are doing emails today. So if you wanted to put one or two beautiful crafted pictures alongside your email, you totally can snag any of these pictures to do that as well. But where you're going to find your email content, you're going to scroll past the customizable travel resources. In this case, there's an attraction map, itinerary, packing list. If you wanted to create those and attach those in an email, you also can do that. That's what I love about these different features. So we're talking first about kind of your general marketing emails, and you're going to notice there are two emails. So when we train in our programs, we do a very deep dive on how to put a well thought out, multifaceted marketing plan together. And what part of that is you don't just email once about a topic, you should email with repetition. So I love that there's two different versions of the email. I can go in and decide which one looks good to me. And I'm just going to click download here. And then it's going to bring you over to Canva where it is in this template format. Now, some people leave it in this PDF and put it that way in your emails. The other option is you can just copy, if you have another email provider that you use, you can copy this content and paste it over to your emails. There's no wrong choices here. It's however you want to do it. But if you did want to customize it and use the actual image, then you could literally go ahead and add your logo. I'll show you how easy it is to do that. I have my logo saved because I have Canva Pro. And let me pop this up here. And look how easy that was. It's literally could be ready to go just like that. So I could download this and be done. This is actually really close, the color that they picked, to my agency colors. If I wanted to make it exact, see this little square here? I could click my actual teal, and it's going to change it a little bit because it's a darker teal to a lighter one. I'm going to hit change all, and then it's going to change the bar and all the circles. Boom. I know that was like actually, let me do it to orange for you guys so you can see how the variance a little bit easier. So click on the square, click orange, then click change all or whatever your brand colors would be, and see how it changed out everything in the entire document. So now it is in the colors of my brand. I would probably leave this other teal color in here because it does feel very cruise style to me, and I feel like it complements the pictures that they've already picked. If I wanted to switch any of these pictures, by the way, you totally can switch those too. That's totally your choice. So I would go in and just make this my own. I usually take out those boxes. I go ahead and add our website in there. That's where you would add yours. And then you could put your agency phone number, or I like to do my social handle on ours as well. And I'm going to duplicate that because this is a 2-sheet form. And then I'm going to get rid of this other one. Boom, here. Delete that. Delete that, delete that. I'm going to go up and duplicate. Just hit the duplicate button on my Tripsy logo, and poof, we're done. I don't know if anyone had a stop clock on, but I know that was way less than 5 minutes. So I can download this. So again, you have the choice to download it and put this in your email as kind of a picture file where it would be clickable and it could show up, or you can actually take the content out and put it in your own email format. Now, the thing that I like to do with all of my emails is make sure you have a call to action. So this also says, Sunny regards, your travel advisor. I'm going to change that to your friends at Tripsy Travel. Now, if you don't run a team, like we have a team, so we have lots of agents at our agency, but if you don't have a team, you would put your name there. That's what you'd want to do. All right, so that's really it, guys. You have all kinds of emails that are ready to go. Now, I want to talk about one more thing with Wanderlust Social in general and how I use their content in emails ongoing. So first of all, I could create my own handwritten email and pair it with any of these pictures that are in here to make that creative process go a little bit faster. But another thing that I love to do, don't forget about your service emails. So if you have someone who's getting ready to go on a cruise, why wouldn't you create them a packing list or an attraction? You know, you could use the attraction map, like, hey, you're heading off to the Caribbean. Here's where everything is. It's just a fun little tool to add in there. But I love the packing list. I use these all the time. And if I have someone who's cruising, I can use this, or I can even create an itinerary or give them an itinerary that has suggestions on it. Whatever variety of these you want to use, even if it's just the packing list. If you have someone going on a cruise, how awesome do you look when you're like, have a fantastic time on your cruise. Here's a quick packing list. If you're a first-time cruiser, here's some things we recommend. Even if you are a long-time cruiser, there's some new stuff on here, and you guys can customize that as well. Once you go in there, I always add a few different things that are more like we send luggage tags. So we'll say, don't forget your Tripsy Travel luggage tags. You could add that in there, and it's completely customized to your brand. You would change out your logo and alter it any way that you see fit. But now you have a beautiful piece that you can attach on your emails that your client can print, and you look like an absolute rock star. So I just love that. So I hope you guys have enjoyed learning about all of the different tips with Wanderlust Social and how to use these different components. I know these videos don't take long, but that's because it's so easy to kind of use this stuff and get it implemented into your agency best practices, whether it's emails, blogs, videos, posting. One bundle does all of those things and more. So we're going to be back next week to talk about how to use Wanderlust Social for your videos, which I do all the time as well. And stay tuned for that one. But until then, go over and visit Wanderlust Social. You can find all of their information at wanderlust-social.com. That's a tongue twister early in the morning. I will also link their information down below so you can find that. Check out their membership programs. And also, if you don't already know, when you do their annual plans, you actually get the equivalent of 2 months free. So basically you pay for 12 months, but then you end up getting 14 months, I think it is. So it's like getting 2 bundles for free. And also, if you do the annual plan, this is an insider tip, all of your credits unlock right away. So if you're like me and you love to plan your marketing ahead of time, get the annual plan. And then that way, if you want to use 2 bundles a month, 3 bundles a month, or you want to do your marketing for the next 3 to 6 months, you can get it all scheduled out and done, right? All ready to go. And if you ever need to buy extra bundles, you get them at a discount being a member as well. So guys, I'll see you on the next one, wherever you are in your journey. I wish you so much love, so much abundance. I wish you the world. See you guys.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
Hey guys, Cyndi Williams here. If you like that last video, make sure you check out all of the other content on our channel. And if you want to follow along and travel with me around the world and see how I run my amazing travel brands and get some great tips on how to grow your own, make sure you check out that other content. I'm going to drop a couple videos here. Click those links. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.